This is Pioneer's AVH-200EX. This is an in-dash AM/FM CD and DVD player with a 6.2-inch touchscreen. It's got multicolor illumination, a 13-band graphic EQ, and built-in Bluetooth for both hands-free calling and wireless streaming audio. Let's take a look and see what's in the box. Okay. First off, we have the wire harness here, and we'll use the wire harness to connect the power and ground and speakers and other connections to the vehicle. Next up, we have some installation screws. There's a bag of install screws. Next, we have the USB extension, and the USB extension here is used because the USB port is on the back of the in-dash receiver, and we'll use this to bring that USB port up into the passenger compartment. Next up, we have the Bluetooth microphone. Now, the Bluetooth microphone here comes on a wire about 10 feet long or so for very flexible installation. Then we have the warranty card. And lastly, we have the quick start guide. And you can download a complete copy of the owner's manual in a PDF form right to your phone. All right, let's get the in-dash receiver up out of here. The front panel of the AVH-200EX has our volume controls right here, and just below the volume is the mute button. In the center here is the home button. This will take you out to the home screen, and we have the display button just below it for switching off the display. And on the bottom left, we have our track advance and radio station advance buttons here. Here's the eject button, and the CD and DVD slot are across the top. You'll do most of your interaction with the in-dash receiver on the 6.2-inch touchscreen. On the back panel of the AVH-200EX, we start here with the USB port, and please remember we include a USB extension in the box so you can bring that USB port up into the passenger compartment. The yellow jack right here is video output, and the brown jack right below it is our dedicated backup camera input. Right here is the audio and video auxiliary input, and here we have 3 sets of RCA outputs for operating external amplifiers. They are front, rear, and subwoofer output. On the other side, we have the wire harness from the car. We'll plug in right here. Then we have 2 black jacks here. The top one is for the Bluetooth microphone that is included with the product. And the bottom one is for operating your steering wheel controls through a third-party adapter. And finally, we have the AM/FM antenna input from the car right here. And that is Pioneer's AVH-200EX and what's in the box.